आशीष, अभिषेक, ऐमान, देवी, मनीष, मणिशंकर, आजाद, मोहन, मृत्युंजय, मानसा, रोहित, शुभ्रा, शुभेंदु, सिमरान, सोहेल, Tarun, Someshri. Many people are offline people only. Online people, you don't want class, Amma? Online people. You don't want class, then we can remove from your class. I can happily continue with offline people. I will talk with your parents. What you are doing at home? Online students. Afroj, Banu, Debashish, Dhananjaya, Ishwar, Gauri, Gurumurthy, Harsha, Jaya, Vishal, Krishna, Ashtosh, Madhu, Mahendra, Manish, Mansi, Ajad, Meghna. Meghna, you are already there, no? You are Meghna, no? What? Who is that Meghna? Another Meghna? It's not Anna. Asrar, Nawaz, Mrutyunjaya, not done, na? Paramesh, Rafi, Rahul, Ramakrishna, Ramesh, Ritin, Rohit, Sakya, Sai, Sainath, Shubhra, done, Simran, done, Sirisha, Krishnaveni, Shobhan, Somit, Srilata, Srutilaya, Subhashish, Suraj, Surender, Swapna, Sai Balaji, Tarun, Uttam Chaudhary, Vishal, Vishnu. And why some people are joining with mobile? Why some people are joining with mobile, ma? Because you are practicing by seeing the mobile and seeing the laptop, huh? That's why, huh? Mm-hmm. So Jets, Jet will done. Jet is done. Keep that. This is the task number 1. Standardization. I will update the notebook. I will update the notebook. I will write some write up and I will give that. We will do that. We check the values. So for tasks, the task is compare the values. Compare the values. We scale the data. Scale the data using Jet score. So the minimum value of index exactly match with minimum value index with scaled data. Scaled data. The minimum value of index exactly should match with Jay. How are you? Long time. Mumbai? Home. Where it is? Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I came to Aurangabad. Mini Taj Mahal. Railway station is so far from city. No. Then that auto wala is taken so far or what? When we are studying in Tirupati, one gully is from Odisha. The auto wala taken 400 rupees for 4 kilometers. 400 rupees. The maximum value of index exactly matching with the maximum value index with the scale data. Bharti, allow no? ఊరు వెళ్ళినావా? ఇక్కడే ఉన్నావా? ఫ్రెండ్ వాళ్ళు లేకపోతే హాస్టల్ లేకపోతే ఊరా? కాదు ముఖం చూడేమో అప్పుడప్పుడు. ద maximum value of index exactly match with. Imagine this is a way. Imagine that two columns. Two columns. This is A column. This is B equal to 2 into A. 2 into A. So first value, second value, third value, fourth value. Here is the 2 or 3 or 4, 5. So 2 into A what ma? 4, 6, 8, 10. In this column, which is the lowest value? 2. In this column, which is the lowest value? Both are indexing matching or not? That you need to check it. Otherwise, how can you believe? Is it correctly transformed or not? Getting, huh? In this value, what is the maximum value? 5. In this, what is the maximum value? Then what is the index? Same index, huh? 4. Then only you can say that it is a correctly matched. If IDs are different, then that is not correct match, no? So that we will check. So, getting our online people. So your methods are there, IDX max, IDX minimum. IDX max, IDX max and IDX minimum. So this is your data frame. First column, column by column बोल ले लो. First column. Okay now. First column, prevailing wage column का minimum ID, prevailing wage का column का maximum ID. चलो take it. Prevailing wage of prevailing wage minimum ID and prevailing wage maximum ID. Miss our classes? अरे so much rain from morning onwards, huh? Swimming pool, huh, at hostel? Chetan, yesterday not there? Ragi, huh? Health is not good. Arre, take care. अरे वो monkey pox आ रहे थे. COVID गया. Monkey pox is coming. Take care, please. Central government has given the instructions. Means it is serious. So they are checking all airports. But it quickly will pass, no? Monkeypox means that in the childhood we will get, no? Small things. Chicken pox. But this some more dangerous it is. Okay. So central government has given the issues guidelines on the monkeypox. Okay. Central government instructions on monkeypox. guidelines, recent guidelines that is. So they are checking that, okay? Please take care. Very soon August should be over. Then September will come. Then slowly our viral viewers are gone. Season will gone. So this is a very dangerous season. August is a very dangerous season. You need to control all food habits in the August. Dot. Dhanama Shubham. ID. X max. कितना रहे? It is series data frame अरे ना? Huh? Look like what? Huh? Are Manish, you are not coming to class. That's why you are missed. Tell me, it is about. Whenever got doubt, what do you have to do? T by P. Okay, na? What is coming? So this. Understood. You take in the square, you are seeing this. Understood. Understood, Manish. So where you went, Manish? Where you went? You are not there in the class from couple of days. The class is missed. You. Real. Mumbai se? How can I get 21077? I want that ID, ma. How can I get? अरे सीरीज में क्या होता, लेफ्ट साइड में क्या होता, राइट साइड में क्या होता? कीज एंड वैल्यूज ना. खत्म, रक्षाबंधन आ गया. कॉन्सेप्ट सर फॉरगेट. हाँ अम्मा क्या रे, बाप रे. करो मैक्सिमम आईडी. फाइंड आउट द मिनिमम आईडी. Following our online people. Maximum ID wage, maximum ID wage. Can you do the same way for the scaled data? Scaled data. Hmm? IDs, IDs. ID means what? This. These are the IDs. IDs. Get the values. Okay. Now Ayman get in doubt. We'll get the value. What is the maximum value in this? Visa DF. Dot max, huh? 31, ना? This is the value. उसका ID कौन है? How can I get? How can I get 21077 equal to 319? IDX max is 21077 आ गए ना? I want ID, I want value. I lock करो, लॉक करो. लॉक. Ideas are very important, ma. Ideas are very, very important. How can both are correct or not? Visa DF, prevailing wage, dot log 21077. Coming as same. Coming 21077 ID are giving. What are the values coming? Maximum value not coming or not? Then that is the maximum ID. Hence proved. Hence proved. Like this. Double square bracket, double square bracket. Bro. Give that. Similarly, do the drill same for the scalar data. Following our online people. Krishna Amshi, what happened, ma? You raise the hand. Krishna Amshi. Button, okay. Do the same drill for scale data. First. Done, Mrutyunjaya, very good. Ideas are very, very important, ma. Okay, getting the ideas are very, very important. The more you practice, the more you'll get idea. The less you practice, you'll not get the idea. When you're not get the idea, you're not able to perform in the interview. So when you're not able to perform in the interview, Katam Jindai. You'll not get job. Simple. You'll not get job, no one will marry you. Okay. Chalo, do it. Minimum. Minimum का ID 2057, huh? Max ID wage I'm giving. Comma. Minimum ID wage. अरे वाह, both are correct, right? Both are correct. Okay, Naiman. So this is what IDs. Which ID? Maximum ID. This is what? Maximum value. This is minimum ID. Minimum. So we are using iLog technique and we are using series keys technique and we are using the IDX max, IDS minimum, all technique we use. Do the same for the scale data quickly. Max and minimum is? Mohit, what am I saying? One weight. Okay, then? No, ID means ID only. ID means ID only. So another way means what is another way? Here max means maximum value. Where is the value? This ID. ID value. This is the ID is maximum ID. This value is the maximum value. How can I this exact this ID is matching with this maximum value? Getting a? For that we are doing what? Lock. We are retrieving the data. Online people, any doubts in this? Online students, Rahul good, Shubham is good, Muchunjay is good, Astosh is good, Sandeep is good, Sweta, Vishal, Surinder, Gauri, Rohit, Saket, Jaya, Soumya, Krishna Vamshi, Suraj, very good, very good. Chalo. So not come morning? Morning. Once. You didn't wake up, huh? Do it for other thing, ma. Z scaled wage data. Those who are created the Azure account, please help to your friends, ma. In the group. Like Muchujaya message in the group, like that. Don't be selfish. Be charity like me. Okay. Help to your friends. Those who are created. How you are creating. DevOps people are there in the lab. If you get the doubt, go and ask them. They always work with the accounts only, na? Their job is that only. They want to learn in the cloud, na? So they know very well if you got any doubts. So please go there. Say both are matching, huh? 210, 205. 210, 205. Both are matching. Both are matching. This is another column. Scaled data. Scaled data. Because what is our main motto? This 4 maximum, this 2 maximum in A, in B, the both are should have which ID? Same ID. What is ID number 1 here? 1. Here, in this column, what is the maximum value? 4.6. 21077. In this column, what is the maximum value? 319. It's called 21077. Now see, generally we know that Z score means -3 to 3 is the maximum. But this value more than 3, which indicates what? Outlier. Which indicates what? We already know 3 lakhs is the outlier in the original data. Do you remember? When you cut it down, 2 lakhs came. Did you notice? Who knows, sir? Okay, you are saying, na? Okay. 2 lakhs will come. That's the outliers. Online people getting observations. 4.6 is the outlier. Because we are done this is by our own hand, na? This analysis. So that's why we are doing all the drama. Am I true or not? Because we don't have confidence on ourselves. That is. How can I get this answers correct way? This is I only done. This is sir told me this I have done. Step 1 I have taken. Step 2, step 3, exactly I have taken answer aa gaya. Now got start doubt. What is the doubt? This is done by me. Wow. That is for you only. There is a package available. What available? Package. If package answers, your answers are same, then you are good. If package answers and your answers are not same, then your logic is wrong. Correct? Na? So after that, you believe yourself that only you are doing correct or wrong. Now let's take the package name called standard scalar. Now take the package standard scalar. Standard scalar. Package name is standard scalar. Standard scalar. Standard scalar is a method to scale the data using Z-score. Using Z-score. It is under sklearn package. It is under sklearn package. Under sklearn pre-processing. Under sklearn we have a class pre-processing. So under pre-processing, we have a method called standard scalar. Anyhow, we learn at the time you will understand what is very, very clear, what is the class, what is the object and everything you will understand. But this is a 3-level layer. First layer is what? Package. Second level is what? Class. Third level is what? Method. Like that. sklearn. Under sklearn, we have a class pre-processing. Under pre-processing, we have so many methods. We already seen in the last class one method. What is the method? Tell me. sklearn, tell me. Label encoder. Okay, what we have seen? sklearn dot pre-processing. Import what? Label encoder. Label encoder is the method. Inside label encoder again, what is there? Fit transform is there. That is. So here sklearn dot pre-processing import. What did it import? Standard scalar. So under pre-processing, we have a method standard scalar. Standard scalar. So every package only 3 methods. Read the package, save the package, apply the Bolo steps. Fit transform. First one is what? Read the package, save the package. Save means call the method. Save the package. Apply fit transform. Apply fit transform. Everything is same only always. Now import it. Save it. Apply the fit transform. Before that, read the data again. I think no need to read the data. No? Already original column is original column only. No? No need to read the data. But you can read the data again. Look at the board very, very carefully. Then you will do. Look at the board, ma. I will tell this. You need to do the next. From say everyone, sklearn dot sklearn is the package. Under the package, which class? Pre-processing. So from sklearn dot pre-processing import standard scalar. Capital S, capital S. Note on it. Without seeing, type it. Without seeing. From sklearn dot pre-processing import standard scalar. From scalar dot, board everyone, pre-processing, import, standard scalar. Next to save the package, SS Rajamouli. Starting S, middle S. Standard scalar. Done. Next to SS dot. SS dot. Array, tell me, Ray, what is the first one? Read the package. Save the package. Apply. Fit transform. We read the package. We save the package. What do you do next? Apply the fit transform. Under the fit transform, what do you have to pass? Your data. What is your data? Visa DF square bracket prevailing wage. Read it. Visa DF square bracket prevailing wage. Run it. Get error. Wow. Get error. What is the error? What is the error? Except which array? 2D array. Which array is there? How can you convert 1D array to 2D array? By adding the extra? See, now you got Python. This, so many struggle to understand this error. But now in our class, so many people are saying the answer. 1 bracket, 1 dimensional. 2 brackets, 2 dimensional. Means we should not give the series. We should provide what? Data frame. Very good. Now answers aa gaya. Now create a one more column. Create a one more column. Because this is a package, na? Which column will create? Save in that. Visa DF square bracket. What is the name within? Z scale, na? Okay, SS wage data. You give SS wage data. SS wage data. SS wage data. Now compare the 3 columns. Which column? Original column. Second column is what? You did manually. Third column is what? Package is given. Compare 3 columns. You have done, the package as given, the both should be same. The both should be same. Compare the 3 columns. The task is, now, the task is compare 3 columns. One is original column. One is original column. What is original column? Prevailing wage. With your own, with your hand, you have done one method. What is that column name? We developed, we scale the data with the logic. Second column is developed by logic. What is that, ma? Z scaled. That one. Z scaled wage data. Third column is given, provided by package. Developed by package, ma, package. What is that? SS Rajamouli data. Compare करो. Error is the spelling mistake. Enter tab, remove everything. Type SK, enter tab. Dot, type PRE, enter tab. And then even the error is coming up. Check it exactly spelling. Somewhere you done the spelling mistake. Capital SS. Spelling mistake. Comparing our 3 columns. Online people. Visa DF. Prevailing wage. పోయిందా అమ్మా ఇది ఒకటి ఉంది. వచ్చిందా వరేవా ప్రివైలింగ్ వేజ్ కామా జెడ్ కామా online people क्या हुआ रे? Here I am working on the screen, you are not telling till now what is the answer. Sleeping or what? SS wage data. Wake up, wake up. Error? Not in index. Huh? क्या हुआ? We need to run again, huh? We all run now. Acha, we read the data again, right? Got it, got it. No, we should not read it. Right. And then don't read the data, you'll get confused. Now? Coming, huh? Don't read the data, you'll get confused. If you read the data, na, one column will gone. Because overwrite, na? You do again this. Those who are reading the data, do again this. This part. This is, so we read the data. This is by logic. This is by logic. By logic. Those who are reading the data again. This is by package. Comparing 3. Now compare both are coming same or not? Then means what? The logic is correct, ra? Believe on yourself. Okay, your logic is correct. Getting amma online people? It matladu. Online students. I always demotivative with online people, but I always motivate with offline people. That's why I hate to take the class online complete. Thanks. My wife is telling that rain is coming, not take online class. I will not enjoy the online class. Online class is the biggest bore. That is. Class should be enjoy. Ma'am is good. Ma'am is always good. Ma'am always wants online class only. Now repeat the same thing for min-max scalar. You already done now? You brought unmute option, huh? Achha. Then everyone will unmute. Everyone will say ba 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 ba. At least you're done. Yes, is fine. This one, huh? This one, huh? Because I read the data, na? When I read the data, what happened? You already developed column will gone. That's why I added this piece again. We read the data means what? Is a fresh na? Fresh start, na? This is you developing, na? This is you developing, na? This will gone right. That's why we are adding again. Shuvendu, error, huh? Ayyo. Run it again. Run it again. Implement the same thing by logic and by package. Now, the package name is called min-max scalar. What is the package name? Min-max scalar. Package name like standard scalar, min-max scalar. Implement the by logic, implement with your package. So the task is read the data, develop a min-max normalization data using logic. And the logic is what? Step 1 is what, ma? Step 1 is read the prevailing wage data. Step 2 is find the minimum value. Step 3 is maximum value. Step 4 is numerator. What is the numerator? Step 1 minus step 2. Step 5 equal to डिनोमिनेटर. डिनोमिनेटर कौन है? स्टेप 3 माइनस स्टेप 2. फाइनली स्टेप 6 इक्वल टू स्टेप 4 divided by step 5. Exactly you do, answer will come. Answer already gone. Now the package name is the method name actually. Package name is min-max scalar. Min-max scalar. It is also under SKLN, under pre-processing. Now do it. I want this view screenshot, everyone. Pavan, water bottle no tea. Water bottle tea. I want this view, ma. Exactly. Okay, na. Chalo, do it. You have 5 minutes time. Post the screenshot.
आईडी चेक करो, आईडी जीरो ना, पहला जीरो ना आईडी, योर आईडी 20,000 में है ना, चलो क्लियर है पक्का।
This is ID comparison ma. 592 is the original value we are changing to like this. And that is, one is that. And second mistake is, you are not saving the data. You are just printing. You are not creating a data frame. You are just printing the values. You are not creating a data frame, data column. You need to create a column. You need to create a column. Exactly like this only you need to do. From sklearn.tree processing import kya? Min max, scalar, MMS, MMS. SMS, MMS. When MMS time, you are not, you don't have mobile phone, no? You are just kids, I think. MMS. Student, do it fast. Developed. Read the package. Come back. Take the screenshot from online people. I'm waiting. Online people. Look at the board, online people. This is for online people announcement. Online people announcement. You are confusing about your class links, ma. This is only the link. Online people, say yes, Ray. Every day that only the link. Don't confuse it. Manish, take care of everyone Azure accounts. Okay. Help to them. Any doubts, contact Manish, offline people. Okay. Done, are? Azure account. No. Complete it. Next one more account. Next time one more account. Next time one more account. One more email ID, one more account, one more credit card, one more debit card. Cards are enough, email IDs are enough. So many are there. Like that only they will take. Till real time. Free accounts. nareshit1@gmail.com. nareshit2@gmail.com. Credit card is? Debit card not working, huh? Visa card, huh? That only. That only explain in the group. Discuss in the group, ma. Don't be sit and idle. Because you will get a good, so many people are waiting for these classes. So previous batches, employees most. Okay. Utilize the opportunity. Done, na? Sure, I am not telling this. I am not telling this then. Check it your friend's laptop. Don't sit idle. Explain to them. Check in the friend's laptop. But tomorrow we can finish this EDA. Finally. Bharati, finally we'll finish. Hypothesis testing, statistics part 2. After that, linear regression, we'll enter into machine learning. Yesterday I taken the placement batch, na? The first class itself, that is, it is like, massive response it is. Because I explained kind of why you are not getting job. Because of the connecting the dots you are missing. You are not learning like in the proper way. We discussed the 2-3 examples. The beauty is that now whatever I am asking the question, our class people are telling the answers. Finally, I am saying that other than my students, you need to tell the answers. That is good. Yesterday class is very fun. Nice. Placement batch. All the other trainer students are came to me and they're talking with me. We didn't learn like this, sir. इतना depth is नहीं है class में, like that. Some guys, 2 guys came from KPHB, like that. That is. Some guys are already know about me. They want to interested. One guy response is very happy. He is saying that I came with 0 expectations, sir, to the placement batch. But after I came here, my expectations are so high now. That is. He is saying that please don't tell to my sir, sir. I am telling like this. He is saying that I will not tell to you, sir. His 5:30 batch, evening 5:30 batch, your batch. Acha, how your training is happened? Python. Attended, huh? How many are attended? Python. 1, 2, 3, 4. Manish? 4 members, huh? What they started? English. All are completed. So what is the roadmap generally? Project, huh? I didn't expect that. That is actually he wants to take the data science placement, but they are not given. They given Python. That is Python. Enjoy. You are not there. Next to data science. Next to what target is? Not Python. How many days time? We can do. हो जाए. Like this. So tuple, that means when is the Python result? Which Python result? Our exam, huh? The mentors are still correcting. Yesterday all mentors are there in the lab only. Sir, all mentors are in the placement group. Placement batch in the data science, all mentors. All mentors came. Good only that is. Learn that as much as you Python, you can already learn more things. Okay. Utilize that Python session also, how they are connecting the dots. Any projects is giving, sir. Learn it. Or if you like, enjoy it, then share your friends. That is like that. I know you mightly feel that it is not Omkar sir class. Okay. Definitely you feel like that. That is a different class. That is, atmosphere will be different. Your atmosphere will be different. Now, let's see here. Look at the board. SS dot fit transform Visa df square bracket prevailing wage. So here you are getting 2D array and 1D array. The method one, you are doing what here kind of. This is a method one. You are applying what? Square brackets. Method one, you are applying a square brackets. Okay now. And it is working. Method two, expect 2D array, 1D array, method one gone. Now one more thing is what? Reshape your data either using the array dot reshape. So we can apply that. Instead of applying the square brackets, we can apply the dot reshape. That is this guy is saying. Instead of applying the square brackets, what we can apply ma? Dot. Okay. Reshape. 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 So first, understand this. What is the problem in this? Look at the board. Visa DF dot prevailing wage. This, whenever you pass this is not working here, failing. Exactly what you are passing. Single bracket only na? Single bracket only you are passing or not? Single bracket मतलब क्या? Series. Single मतलब क्या? Series. So this series is not taken. This is not able to get in transform mode because it is 1D array. 1D array. So next what is saying? Is saying that you can change the shape by using what ma? Array dot reshape. But it is not array. It is what? Series. You need to convert into array first. You need to convert into array. So visa df dot values. Suppose dot values. What is coming ma? Array. You already know that is. Dot value is nothing but list of values. Now apply the dot reshape. किधर है reshape? Why it is not coming reshape then? Let's see. -1, 1. Array. Same. Now this you need to apply into the sh dot fit transform. Now I am giving d equal to sh dot reshape. Sorry. sh dot fit transform. Now inside d. Are any values? So we are changing into reshape or we are using what? Square brackets. This is method 1. This is method 1 ma. This is method 2 ma. This is method 2. So which one you like? Obviously method 1, I know. But you can apply the dot values, you can apply the reshape. But this is a good idea. You can read the error. When you read the error, I got understand. What we got understand? We can the shape by using which method ma? Reshape. But reshape can apply on what? Array. But when you apply the single bracket, what is coming? Series. Series should converted which one? Values. When values will give what ma? Array. Then array will apply into the reshape. So like that you need to learn the concept. Getting Chalo, try it. Online people understood ama? Shiva, why this Instagram reel is coming right in the chat? Shiva. Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Sutherland, Accenture, Deloitte, non-job bearing. Shiva, you can share this in the WhatsApp group, not in the class chat. Okay, na? Shiva, Katam. Shiva Gaya. Next, new notebook. Very good. Data transformation techniques. Data transformation methods. Dana Mohit. Which error? Spelling mistake only you are doing. I think you are typing. Which variable? Why? No, you are doing, suppose you given MMS here, huh? First run these two. First only run these two, then apply it. Check it. First only run these two. Session number 9, ma. Data transformations. So data transformation methods. We know that we have a 3 skew distributions are available, but we already know that. One is what, ma? Positive skew, negative skew, no skew. No skew nothing but what? Normal distribution. What is our main goal? To convert the data to the normal distribution. Because always data will not be a normal distribution. No? We need to develop the normal distribution. For that, which techniques we are using? Transformation methods. We already know some transformation. One is what? Log transformation, exponential transformation, okay. Reciprocal transformation, and square root transformation, and power transformation. See, you are achieve. First, you done this. What is your wage data? MMS wage data. So why you are giving all these things? This is you because you are just creating a data frame. You should not create the data frame. All the data frame is there in the Visa DF itself. If you want to create a data frame, you require values. You are creating data frame. You don't apply call here. That's all. All that square bracket is there. Calls. Say X1. This X1 is missing now.
Sir, one more. X1 is saying it's not in index. Okay.
No, what is your data? Z scale data. See, your data frame name is what? Z scaled. Here, you did not done with a manually. This manually you did not done.
I did it, sir. I'll show you.
Where it is? It is a min max.
This
No.
one. When I tried to run it like
You did not saved. You just typed. What I'm saying?
okay.
You did not save in a data frame. This is a data available, but you did not create a column.
Yes.
Where is the column? That's why you are getting error. No. You are creating a column, not like this.
Okay.
You need to add like this. Column should be created like this. Visa DF
Double square bracket.
Not square, double square bracket, single bracket only. This is the way to create the column. Is equal to now x1 min max. This is the way to create a column. Now data is ready. Where is the data is there?
X1,
In VSDF. Here also, where the data is there in the here?
same thing. Yeah.
VSDF. SS also. VSDF, see?
What was happening is whenever I used to run this code, that is X1.
You are creating a data frame.
No,
You should
sir.
not create the data frame.
Why I created a data frame is because the X1 was not in index with regarding to the other one.
You should do like this exactly.
That's why I used to do it as a data frame.
You understood right now? Power transformation. Import numpy as np. Import numpy as np. Import numpy as np. Will plot also. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. np dot random dot exponential. np dot random exponential. np dot random exponential. Shift tab करो रे. Size. What is saying that? Draw samples from exponential distribution means we are getting a data from the exponential distribution. It will give some random data. Suppose size is equal to 1000. This is the data. Random 1000 samples. If you plot this data, it will follow which distribution? Exponential, right? The distribution? That's why it is called np.random.exponential. Exponential, you read here, shift tab. Draw samples from which distribution? Exponential. Now draw it. exp data equal to exp data. Following online people. This will give the samples. This will give the 1000 random samples. The distribution, if you plot the distribution, if you plot the distribution, it follows exponential distribution. Draw the distribution, my histogram. Everyone draw the histogram. Drawing coming online students. plt dot hist exp data bins equal to 20 suppose. Wow, what is coming like this? Curve like this coming. plt dot show. I think you can apply the label is there. EXP data. Not there. Huh? Not coming EXP data. But it is coming a label. A label. Hmm? Given outside, huh? Coming, this label is coming, not coming. The removed or what? Coming, here. अच्छा नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ड्रा करो np डॉट रैंडम डॉट नॉर्मल np डॉट रैंडम डॉट नॉर्मल np डॉट रैंडम डॉट नॉर्मल not same size np dot random dot normal shift to tab साइज कितना रहे 1000 डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्लॉट करो नॉर्मल डाटा pld dot hist of normal data. Wow, see, exact like normal distribution data. Getting Amashuendu? My normal distribution is not like exactly good, like maybe your one good. Same, huh? Because data different, random data. Our main goal is what? Convert this to this. Getting what is our main goal? Convert exponential data to normal distribution data. Chalo, log transformation. Our main goal is convert EXP data to normal data. So simply what we need to do? We need to multiply with a number, na? That's all, na? Some number. So put heading log transformation. Log transformation. X is equal to 10 ma. np dot log of 10. Logarithm of 10 कितना रहे? 1 ना? 2.30. बेस कितना? बेस कितना? E. बेस कितना? E. So natural logarithm is the inverse transformation. Means you are simply reversing that. Base 10 मा. Now instead of 10 क्या करना? क्या पास करना? Which data? Now you got it. See, Karo? np.log, online people will not say I know. They are in the Zoom call. np.log, which data? EXP data. Now plot karo. Log data. Following online people. PLT dot hash log data. Abba, just miss ra. Just miss. Deviated just. For you also coming like that only, na? Wow, beauty. How, where is exponential? Where is normal? Can you plot side by side? Side by side karo. Side by side karo ma. Subplots. PLT dot subplot. Exponential which you are covering? Log. In the single frame, it is coming like this. This is good, na? The single line. No subplots. Direct attack. Direct attack. Orange color कौन है? EXP. Blue color is what? This is opposite, huh? Why this label is not coming, right? Where this option is gone? Don't know why this label is not coming. There are two distributions, no? One distribution indicate another one. But I am doing like this. I am doing like this. Your interest, na? But ultimately you want to show to the client. How you want to show to the client? Ultimately. Getting online people. Online students. बोलो रे क्या रे You tell me orange color what indicates, Madhu? Madhu is asking what is orange color indicates. Who is orange color? Online people. Explain to Madhu. Who is orange color? Which data orange? Sandeep, which data? अच्छा अरे log data रे orange indicates log data. Why are confusing same na? See here -6 -4 -2 -6 -4 -2. That is. Now the task is you need to do the same thing for the square root. Square root means what? X is equal to 25. NP dot square root available, huh? 25 x, huh? So which data you need to pass? EXP data. Which data? EXP data. Now x is equal to 10. 1 by x equal to 0.1. This is reciprocal. This is what? square root. So this is called square root. This is called reciprocal. All the plots I want. Exponential. NP dot exponential available, huh? NP dot exp. X is equal to 5. 148. I need these three, ma. Every time what you have to pass? Every time which data? Every time EXP data. So out of these four, which is better? Fix that. Out of these, we don't know na, which is better. Data scientist nothing but what? Complete experiment. There is no specific answer. Not at all. So tomorrow I will teach power transformation. If you complete this. Okay na? I am creating assignment ma. Yesterday you are in the festival mode, just now I will leave it. But today I will not leave you. Because see here. 21 members, 20 members Indra, naina. Huh? 2021 है क्या रे? 2020 है? Bridania. I can't help you if you behave like this. Chalo, thank you so much. Are you your offline people and online people, na?